Welcome guys, and in this video I want to show you how you can connect multiple Tradovate accounts to NinjaTrader 8. So first of all, make sure your multi-provider is enabled, and you can find that in the settings, general and multi-provider right here. And basically then go to the connections, click on configure. Right here you'll see NinjaTrader and Rhythmic. So for the Rhythmic you will be able to add only one, and for the simple like Boolean Ox and etc, you'll be able to add multiple ones. So to add multiple ones, just click add, and basically right here you can connect you can name it connection name. So let's say Tradovate, and right here you'll need to put your username and password and then select account type. After that, click apply and OK. And to add multiple one, you can just select NinjaTrader again and click add, and basically that's how you add another one. So basically you repeat the process. And for the Rhythmic one, if you want to add that, just select Rhythmic for NinjaTrader brokerage, click add, and right here you can set connection name and it will be everything the same. Right here you'll need to select a system. So basically it will be Rhythmic 01 Chicago, as you can see like this, and basically put username and etc. Then click apply and OK. And after that, how you can connect that is basically by going to connections and right here by clicking your connection name. And basically that's how you can connect multiple connections like that. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.